Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the healthiness of Sudoku puzzle on January 15, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column B and 6th row V of 4. Column D also V of 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is from here. Second grade and the 8th grade V of 4. 7th row and 6th row also V of 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is from here. 8th row, 9th row V of 4. Column H, column I also V of 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is from here. Column F, column G, V of 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is from here. Column E, 10th row, V of 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. Second grade and third row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade and third row and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 9, 7 and 5. That 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 1, 3. Column I, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 1. 10th row and the 8th row also we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9, it will come in another 3 cells. Second row, we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then the 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 3, 8. 9th row, we have 7 and 8, so 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 9th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.